What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette, so if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Today's video, we are going to be cleaning the stock leather seats. If you do not know, these are not completely leather. The center section is leather, and then the bolsters on each side from here to here, these are vinyl. So not everything on this seat is leather. I believe these are vinyl as well. This is vinyl, and then there's just the center section here is leather. So we're going to go into cleaning this with a few simple products. You don't have to go crazy with it, so let's get into the video. Now, a few things you're going to need to get started into cleaning your seats is your choice of all-purpose cleaner. I am using Super Clean. I know a lot of manufacturers go out of their way to make many different types of cleaners for leather surfaces. For pretty much, they have a cleaner for everything. All you need is an all-purpose cleaner, and they will clean everything the same way as all those specialized products. It's just their way of, you know, making you spend more money to get different things. But Super Clean is tried and true, diluted 8:1 into this bottle. I know it says Super Degreaser. I have moved away from Super Degreaser just because Super Clean, you can dilute it, you know, to clean as heavy as you want, like a Super Degreaser, or as light as you want, like an all-purpose cleaner, which in this case 8:1 is kind of like an all-purpose cleaner. Your choice of cleaning stuff. Here's an just a typical detail brush, and then if you watch my steering wheel video, a blue Scotch-Brite pad. This will just break down dirt, grime, oils, and all that stuff a lot quicker than a brush would. And if you have a drill, you can pick up this drill attachment. There's many of these out there on Amazon. I'm not going to be using this today because I feel like not everyone's going to go out of their way to buy this, but simple cleaners, brushes, Scotch-Brite pad, I think people will find that easy enough to do. And then your choice of protection to put on the seats. Many people will use a leather conditioner. There's nothing wrong with that. You definitely can. This is a Meguiars hyperdressing. This is what I use on my tires, but don't get that misunderstood, that this is not like the greasy tire shine that you would see from like an Armor All or something like that. This is just simply a dressing. It has a little bit of UV protection in it, which is an awesome thing to protect the seats. You also got to remember the seats, even though they're leather, there is like a plastic film protection, whatever you want to call it, on top of the leather. So you're not actually, conditioning the leather. You're conditioning the surface that's on top of the leather, and that's where a product like hyperdressing would come in. This is diluted 3:1. You can dilute this in various dilution ratios, again, for tires, for seats, and for just about anything. So let's get into cleaning the seats. All right, so again, I'm just going to start off with some Super Clean diluted 8:1. I'm going to try to just do half the seat just so we can kind of see like a before and after. So you're just going to spray the seat. Don't go too crazy with it. Now from here, you could just use your detail brush. There's nothing wrong with going ahead and doing that, especially on the perforated leather sections. There's, again, nothing wrong with doing that, but I'm going to go ahead and use a Scotch-Brite pad. That will just do a quicker job of breaking down all the oils and dirt that are on the seats themselves. All right, and then we're just going to go ahead, take your clean microfiber cloth, and just wipe all that up. All right, so now I'm going to bring you in, see if we can see a big difference between dirty side, clean side. All right, so you can see here, this is the side that I cleaned. That's the side that I didn't clean. You see the sheen that's on the leather That's not on the leather, that's over here. So same here, shiny, nice and matte. So you know that this is clean. Again, same here to there. And this bolster, which is vinyl, you can still tell that it's clean and that's shiny. This is more of a matte finish. So there you go, that's the difference between a clean seat and a dirty seat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some type of protection on the seats. Again, I'm using Meguiars Hybrid Dressing. This is diluted 3:1. Use your choice of protection, but please do not use like Armor All or something. It's just gonna give this such a high gloss and it's just not gonna look good. Leather that's nice and matte finish like this just looks, it just looks so much better. You don't want this thing looking like a tire that's supposed to be on the outside of the car, not on the inside. Go ahead, you can just spray this on like so. It's gonna look a little shiny going on there right now, but I will knock this down and it won't be nearly as shiny. So, all right. So there you go. All right. Okay, so that's a quick video on cleaning and protecting your leather seats. Obviously now I gotta do the same to the passenger side, but at least the driver's side is clean, ready to go, ready for winter hibernation, I guess you'd say, here in the Northeast. Hopefully not for a little while yet, but eventually I will have to take this off the road. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.